Hey, it's Thomas Mulready from CoolCleveland.com, and we are here today at the Cleveland Museum of Natural History. We're here with Harvey Webster, Director of Wildlife Resources. And congratulations on this great new Perkins Wildlife Center and Woods Garden that's behind us here. Talk about why you guys thought you needed to build this fabulous big facility. You already got a Museum of Natural History, right?
Well, we've actually had the Wildlife Center since 1970, but the cool thing about this was the opportunity to reinvent it as sort of a taste of what we want to do with a reinvention of the entire museum, a transformation, if you will. So what we wanted to do is take advantage of this extraordinary slope we have here and this interesting remnant of large forests. We have beech trees and oak trees, and try and create an immersive and dynamic environment where our visitors could get a taste of what nature in Ohio is all about. And from that awareness can come appreciation, and from the appreciation we think is the basis of a conservation and sustainable ethics.
So talk about some of the animals you've got here that are actually from our neighborhood. They're really from Ohio. They're from northern Ohio.
Absolutely. So everything that we exhibit here is native to Ohio. So right below us, there are 3 coyotes. And coyotes, you might think, oh, are they really native to Ohio? They're not only native to Ohio, they're in your neighborhood no matter where you might live. And we think it's really important that people understand about coyotes, that they're not something to be feared, but respected. So you actually look down 2.5 stories at the coyotes, but the coyotes have an opportunity to go above you from time to time and look down on you. They can be above you. They can be below you. So the coyotes are a highlight. We have a trailway that features both our bobcats, our gray fox, and our red fox. And today the gray foxes have the trailway. So you'll be walking along the trailway and you'll look 10 feet above you and there's a gray fox looking down at you. Again, the observed becomes the observer. So it's a totally dynamic thing, and it turns out that gray foxes are great tree climbers. A lot of people don't know that. They're a native animal to Ohio, whether you're in the Cleveland metro parks, in the countryside around Cleveland, or in the city itself.
You've also got, not only that, you've got bald eagles here, which again, we don't think of northern Ohio as a place, but we actually are, because of our proximity to the lake, I guess, and the migration patterns, we're picking up a good population of the bald eagles.
We are, and this is another amazing conservation success story. Formerly a critically endangered species, only 4 nests in the state of Ohio in 1979. We now have probably 400 plus nests in the state, probably have a state population of 4,000 or 5,000 birds. Great success story that features not only a museum nature preserve, but also the national bird. We got them on display here.
Also native Ohio plants, right? It's not just the animals and the wildlife here, but the local plants and seeing how everybody interacts with that.
And it's not just that we have local plants. The plants are assembled into plant communities that you would normally find in Ohio. So here we have these American beech trees, we have sugar maple, we've added hemlock and other types of plants, both understory and mid-story type plants that you would find, let's say, at North Chagrin Reservation in a rich beech maple forest. And then we can draw the relationship between the animals and the plant communities upon which they depend.
Harvey, it's so exciting talking with you about one of the first stages here of the transformation of this entire institution. Congratulations on this Perkins Wildlife Center, and thank you so much for taking a few moments to talk with us.
Hey, my pleasure. Anytime. Enjoy.
Hey, it's Thomas Mulready from CoolCleveland.com. Have a great week in Cool Cleveland.